So I wanted to show off how the animated dead spell works in Radiance, and I think it's an underrated spell. It's the only level 3 spell that seems to be somewhat useful, other than perhaps Dispel Magic. So I'm in Norris the Grey's hideout, and I brought along a swordsman who's currently dead, and Norris the Grey has already died. He was sitting here, and the lizard man was sitting here. Most of these guys are held, but as you can kind of see, I've got 9 hit points left. I am a level 6 cleric. I had like 44 hit points. But if I cast Animate Dead here, so the hero is now back up, and next round when I cast Animate Dead, I should get Norris the Grey back up, or one of the lizard men potentially. Hopefully I didn't get hit there, that would suck. Oh, they're all... Oh, that didn't work. Okay, so we got Norris the Grey back. So Norris the Grey is now on my side. I'm going to cast Animate Dead one last time for hopefully get the lizard man back. This is the advantage of having level 6 cleric, because you... Oh, did that work? No, I must have got here. So anyway, at the moment, I have him on my side and Norris the Grey on my side. And we're going to cast one lot of the last hold person spell. So at this point, I should win from here, I would hope. So Norris is now fighting for me. The swordsman could do something useful and kill one of those held lizardmen. That would be good. Oh, no, he's down again. I made the mistake of just bringing a swordsman. So Norris is now hacking up the lizardmen, which is kind of nice because they're held. So once I kill this lizardman, I might just hide around the corner and let Norris do the thing. Well, apparently they're out of ammo. Out of arrows. So hopefully Norris is pretty tough. I think he's a level 3 fighter, I think the manual says. Oh, this is going to be close, isn't it? 4 hit points left. Norris should carry the day from here, surely. I think he's got a swing attack because he's a level 3 fighter. Was that 4 attacks? I'm not sure. So these guys are fleeing. Norris is going to mow down his own people. So just to continue a little bit. So that hero is dead. He's on my side. He's animated dead. The only problem with this is when I done guard and claim the victory, I don't get his equipment and I don't get the XP for killing him. Animate Dead can be used to create a wall of NPCs in front of you when you go into the graveyard, and this is quite powerful. It stops all the level draining creatures getting to you. I think I might show that off in another video. I did do it recently. I basically removed all my fighters, kept my back 4 like spellcasters and archers, and put a line of heroes that were decked out with silver arrows and magical weapons and shields. And it did make it fairly easy. They're immune to hold spells and gas spells, but the vampire managed to charm one of my heroes that was animated, that was dead, and then one of my clerics could turn that hero because he is actually undead, and that just destroyed him and took him down to 0 hit points. It was kind of comical. Anyway, I think Animated Dead is still quite underrated and underused in this game. I hope that showed it off to some effect.